Wiping the mirror clean. Clear the noise, hear your truth. In this video, we'll explore how to recognize the messages that we tell ourselves and how to clear away the ones that don't reflect who we truly are. Have you ever looked in the mirror and seen only the things you wish were different? Our inner voice can do the same. It can pick up negativity from the world and replay it over and over. But here's the truth. You can choose a different voice. Why affirmative journaling matters. Affirmative journaling is a tool from positive psychology that helps us take control of our inner dialogue. By writing affirmations, true positive statements about ourselves, we begin to rewire the way that we think. It's not about ignoring struggles. It's about choosing thoughts that build resilience and hope. This is proactive mental health, training our minds to be our allies, not our critics. Your self-talk matters. Just like a foggy mirror blurs your reflection, negative thoughts can cloud your confidence. Wiping the mirror clean means recognizing those thoughts and gently replacing them with truth. 3 rules for wiping the mirror clean. Rule 1. Notice the noise. Ask yourself, is this thought helpful or true? Rule 2. Clear space for your truth. Let go of old labels that no longer serve you. Rule 3. Choose a new message. Speak to yourself like someone that you care about.